Good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Search Institute. Today I am going to start exercise 3.3 from chapter 3rd coordinate geometry. Before this I have taught you 3.2 and 3.3. You can click to the I button to see those previous videos so that you will be able to understand what are the basic things required to solve the questions of this chapter. Okay, so now I will start the exercise. The first question of the exercise, it is given, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points lie? Okay, we verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So we have to tell that this point lie in which quadrant, as well as we have to verify by locating them in the Cartesian plane. Okay, by locating them in the Cartesian plane. So first of all I will draw a Cartesian plane and I will locate all the points on that plane, and then we will write the answer. Okay, so I have drawn a Cartesian plane. Okay, we will name all the quadrants here. First of all, this is first quadrant. Why? Because x-axis is plus as well as y-axis is plus. This is second quadrant, as x-axis is minus, y-axis is plus. Okay, this is third quadrant, as x-axis is minus and y-axis is plus. This is fourth quadrant, because x-axis is plus, y-axis is minus. Okay, now we will locate all the points on the quadrant. The first point is minus 2 comma 4. So minus 2 is here and 4 is here. So we will draw a dotted line to join them. So this is minus 2 comma 4. Okay, next point, 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. Just join dotted line so that you will be able to understand where the points will lie. Okay, next, minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 is here and ordinate is 0, means on x-axis y is 0. So minus 1 comma 0 will lie on x-axis. Okay, next, minus 4 comma 2. Minus 4 comma 2. So minus 4 comma 2, it will meet here. Okay, they will meet here, minus 4 comma 2. Next, 3 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 4. So from 3 we will draw a dotted line up to minus 4. Okay, so 3 comma minus 4 will come here. Okay, next, minus 5, 3. Minus 5 and 3. Minus 5 is here and from y-axis 3 is here. So minus 5 and 3 will meet here. Okay, next, 2 comma minus 4. 2 comma minus 4. 2 comma from 2 up to minus 4. 2 comma minus 4. Okay, next, 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 will meet here. Okay, 1 comma 2. Next, minus 3 comma minus 5. Minus 3 comma minus 5. Okay, so all the points we have located on the Cartesian plane. Now we have to write the answer, that which point lie in which all the quadrants. Okay, so we have to write the answer that these points lie in which quadrant and why. So first of all I will write first quadrant. In the first quadrant only one point is lying, because here both the coordinates are positive, so it lie in first quadrant. So in the first quadrant 1 and 2 lie in first quadrant, because their abscissa is positive and ordinate is also positive. Okay, so 1 comma 2 lie in first quadrant because its abscissa is positive and ordinate is also positive. So 1 comma 2 lie in first quadrant. Now in second quadrant, the points which are lying are minus 2 comma 4, minus 2 comma 4, -5, 3, -4, 2. All lie in second quadrant. They lie in second quadrant because their abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. Okay, so in the second quadrant, okay, so these points lie in second quadrant because their abscissa is negative and their ordinates are positive. That's why they lie in the second quadrant. Now in the third quadrant, -3, -5 lie in third quadrant because its abscissa is negative and ordinate is also negative. Okay, its abscissa is negative as well as ordinate is negative. Next, fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, 3, -4, 3, -1 and 2, -4 all lie in fourth quadrant because their abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative. Okay, all these points, all these coordinates, abscissa are positive and ordinates are negative. That's why they lie on the fourth quadrant. Okay, and the last bit is on x-axis. -1, 0 lie on x-axis because its ordinate is 0. Okay, as its ordinate is 0, that's why it is lying on the x-axis. If its abscissa is 0, it will lie on y-axis. Okay, next question. In question number 2, it is given, plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane. Choose suitable units of distance on the axis. Okay, so there are some points given in the table. We have to plot these points on a Cartesian plane. So you solve this question in a graph paper so that it will be easier to locate the points with the decimal value. Okay, there is a decimal value, it is given here. It will be very easier to locate this decimal value. So I have drawn a Cartesian plane here. The first coordinate is -2, 8. Okay, -2 is here and 8 is here. So we will join them with a dotted line. So it is -2, 8. Okay, next is -1, 7. Okay, -1, 7. Take it up to 7. Okay, so -1, 7 is, this is -1, 7. Okay, 0 is here and -1.25, we know this as this is 1, this is 2. -1.25 will come nearly on this point. Okay, so this coordinate is 0, -1.25. Getting? Next, 1, 3. Okay, 1, 3. So it will meet here at point 3. So this is 1, 3. Okay, next 3, -1. 3 is here, -1 is here. So just join with dotted lines. 3, -1. Next, -3, -4. -3 is here, -4 is here. So join it with a dotted line. Okay, this point is -3, -4. Next, -2, 5. -2 is here. So with the same dotted line, you just join up to fifth point. Okay, that is fifth coordinate. So this point is -2, 5. Okay, next, -5, 3. -5 is here and 3 is here. So join it with a dotted line. minus 5 comma 3. This point is minus 5 comma 3. Okay, and the last one is 4 comma 0. 4 is here and 0 is here for ordinate, so it will lie on x-axis because the y point is 0. As the y ordinate is 0, 4 comma 0 will lie on x-axis. Okay, so like this you will plot the graph, you will plot the coordinates on a graph paper so that it will be easier to locate the points on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so I hope you might have understood whatever I have explained. If you have any doubt or queries, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you all of you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.